Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to flip an image in Canva. So this is really easy to do as Canva has a flip button, which makes it really simple to flip any image. So all you have to do is open up your design. You're going to click on your image. You can see when it's selected because it will have these little slider buttons on the side. Once you've selected the image, you can go to the toolbar at the top where it says flip, click on that, and you have different options. Do you want to flip it horizontally or flip it vertically? So let's see what both do. So a horizontal flip, so you can see my parrot has gone to the other side now, which is pretty cool. You can also flip it vertically, which turns the picture upside down. So those are your two options to flip images in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.